I wouldn't kill a dragon.
You said wouldn't that time.
I'm gonna kill you, dragon. I'm gonna cut out your heart and take it to my father. I wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was. I looked at him and I saw myself.